Hello everyone, my name is Natasha and I am part of the York County Library. Welcome to my virtual art painting 101 video for June. Today you will create a red flamingo. If you would like to paint a red flamingo, please continue with the video. Hello everyone, welcome back. The materials that you will need today to paint your red flamingo are some red paint, black paint. The gray paint is optional if you want to paint the background. White paint, brown paint, and pink paint. You will need some paper towel. You will need a palette. You will need a flat brush, which mine is number 8. You will need 2 round brushes. Mine is number 7 and I believe this is number 8. You will need a cup of water. And you will need your canvas with a pre-drawn flamingo on it. And you will need your picture of a flamingo so you can draw onto the canvas. We're not going to use the carbon paper in this video, so if you're not familiar with how to transfer the flamingo onto the canvas using carbon paper, please refer back to my previous videos that will show you how to do so. Now that you have your materials, let's begin. All right, welcome back to my virtual art painting 101 video for June, painting a red flamingo. Now that you have your materials and your red flamingo transferred onto the canvas, we are ready to paint. First, we're going to get some red paint, and we're going to use our flat brush, and we're going to paint the flamingo, the head and the neck of the flamingo red. Just like this. We're not going to paint the feathers, just the flamingo. And I'm going to keep doing this. I'm going to continue to do this for a few minutes. And when I'm done, I'll let you see how it looks on the other side. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Natasha with my virtual art painting 101 video for June, painting a red flamingo. As you can see, I painted the head and neck of the red flamingo that's on my canvas. And the next step I'm going to do is paint the feathers. The colors that I'm going to use to start off with are going to be red and pink to start off to make the feathers. So if you want to grab your your bigger round brush. I'm not sure which number this is. It doesn't say, so I'll be honest with you. It's bigger than the number 7. But if you want to get your bigger round brush and grab some red paint, we're going to start painting the feathers. And I'm going to show you a little bit of how it's done, and then I'm going to stop the video. We're going to do it just like that. Kind of just light strokes, just like that. Okay, I'm going to show you one more time. Just light feathery strokes like that to make the feathers. Okay, so I'm going to continue to do this off camera, and then I'll show you how it turns out when I'm done. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to my virtual art painting 101 video for June, painting a red flamingo. As you can see, I used red and pink colors to paint the feathers of the flamingo. And now I'm ready to give it some light with using the colors white. And then I'm gonna give it some shadow using the color brown. So I'm going to start with that, and as I do this, you are welcome to do it as well. So I'll show you how I create my light and shadow, and then I'll turn it off and I'll turn it back on for you to see the results. Okay, so for the top, I'm just gonna give it just a little bit of A little bit of light right there, because as you can see on the original one, there's some light right up there. And then we have some right here. Okay. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to finish this, and then I'll show you how it's done, when I'm finished. Okay. Okay, everyone, welcome back. This is Natasha again with my Virtual Art Painting 101 video for June. As you can see, I put a little bit of shadow and highlights into the flamingo's feathers and into the head and neck of the flamingo. And now I'm going to work on making the beak and bringing out the eye. So that will complete my flamingo once I have the beak and the eye. So I will show you how it's completely finished, how it looks when it's completely finished. So, and the colors that I'm going to use for the beak and the eye will be brown and maybe a little bit of white to bring out the eye. And that will finish my flamingo. So I'm going to work on that. This is how I'll do that. I'll show you. Okay. Just take your time and make your beak, color your beak. And I'm going to continue to do that. And while I'm working on that, you can work on it too. All right. So I'll show you how it's done when I'm finished. All right. All right, everyone, welcome back to my Virtual Art Painting 101 video for June, painting a red flamingo. As you can see, the beak didn't quite come out the way I was expected, but I'm satisfied with the turnout. So, my recommendation, when things don't turn out right, you just keep at it, keep focusing, and it will eventually turn out the way you expect it to. So I'm very pleased with it. I'm not upset about it, and I hope to see you in my next video coming up in a few months. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, or share, or comment. And I will see you in my next video. Again, this is Natasha with Art Painting 101, painting a red flamingo for June. Thanks for watching. Bye.